Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandro and today I'm gonna share with you a recipe of a drink. This is actually the national drink of Peru, which is called the Pisco Sour. What exactly is a Pisco? I have a bottle of Pisco here. This Pisco was made in Peru. Pisco is actually a brandy made out of grapes. In Peru we have 8 different kinds of grapes that actually are used to produce, to make the Pisco. I'm not gonna go into much details because I'm gonna make a video for you guys to share with you general knowledge about the Peruvian Pisco, how the Pisco started, how many years ago, those details, but that's gonna be in my next video. Apparently the first recipe of Pisco Sour was actually created in a bar in Lima. The bar was called the Morris Bar. Victor Morris was an immigrant that came to Peru. He was an American businessman, and he was the owner of the Morris Bar, which was a very popular bar in the early 1900s. And we believe that he was the one inventing the recipe of the Pisco Sour. Okay guys, to prepare the Peruvian Pisco Sour the traditional way, we're gonna need pretty much 3 ingredients. The first ingredient and the most important is a good Peruvian Pisco. In this case I'm using Tabernero, which is a really famous and good Pisco from Peru with good quality. And the grapes that are used for this Pisco are Torontel. Torontel is a kind of grape that is actually very aromatic. So that's our main ingredient, 2 ounces of Peruvian Pisco. We're gonna use 1 ounce of simple syrup, any kind of simple syrup, the one you can find in the store. So 1 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna use 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Also we're gonna use ice, of course, to mix it. We're gonna use this shaker. We're using the egg whites. We're gonna add a little bit of the egg whites to mix it, and that's gonna create a little bit of foam. At the end, I'm gonna use Angostura bitters, which is very easy to find in any stores. Actually, guys, these days I think it's easier to find Pisco in the stores, in the wine stores or liquor stores. So you can find some good Peruvian Pisco. You can buy any Pisco, the one is more convenient for you. I'm gonna start making some juice. I need, like I said before, actually 1 ounce of lime juice. So I'm gonna pour my lime juice into this little glass. Probably 1 or 1.5 limes is gonna be enough to make the 1 ounce. In Peru, I tell you guys, we like to make our Pisco Sour a little bit stronger. Here in Canada, usually we use 1 ounce of these little jiggers, I think they're called. So we always pour like 1 ounce, but in this case this jigger is I think it's American, so it has 2 ounces, which is perfect because that's the way I like to make my Pisco Sour. I think I have more than 1 ounce, probably close to 2 ounces here. I'm gonna get my ice. Okay, I have some ice here that I'm gonna need to mix my drink. So I have the ice, I have the lemon, and I'm gonna need the egg white that I'm gonna pour it in a maybe small glass or something. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get only the egg whites, but I'm gonna see if I can do it right this time. So I'm gonna make a little hole here in order to get only the egg whites. Okay. Oh yeah. So by now I think I'm an expert preparing this Pisco Sour. Okay, so I have my egg whites, I have my juice, I have ice, and I'm gonna start shaking. First I'm gonna pour my Pisco, 2 ounces, Peruvian Pisco. 2 ounces. Okay, now I'm gonna add my egg whites into the shaker and also the lime juice, and I'm gonna do my first shake. It's gonna be a dry shake with no ice. If you guys want, you can do it only on 1 shake with the ice, but I prefer to do it in 2 steps. It's gonna be more safe actually to drink because we are using the raw egg, right? Okay, now I'm gonna add the ice. I'm gonna add maybe like 2 or 3 ice cubes, and I'm gonna do one more shake. And you guys know the drink is ready when your hand starts getting really cold. Now I think I'm ready to pour my nice Peruvian pisco sour. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add the bitters just for the last touch. So maybe around 2 or 3 drops. There you go. So here for you guys to enjoy pisco sour the Peruvian way. Hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'm gonna try to do another few more recipes using pisco. I know you guys are gonna love this drink. It's actually really tasty. It's hard to describe, but you have to do it at home, and then you're gonna tell me how you like it. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you guys are gonna do this at home. You can share this with your friends and family. And salud! Thank you again, and I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, and you can check other videos that I have in my channel. Some of them are about cooking too, and you're gonna find some good recipes for Peruvian dishes as well. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you in another video the next time. Bye bye, Sandro from Vancouver. Salud! Cheers! Enjoy your pisco.